Let's look at some of the various ways you can customize the Kinisi harness. Here I have a selection of unique DMM products that are perfect for that purpose. Regular hole spacing along the harness provides many mounting options for the microvault. The gear brackets are designed to accommodate the vault and megavault. When installing the vault or megavault, ensure that you capture only the gear bracket itself and not the webbing. The accessory carabiner range works nicely with the Kinisi. The 5mm holes grip the oval accessories nicely, helping to maintain orientation. The flexible stowaways may be installed in a number of locations. For first aid kits, the Cayman bag clip fits easily onto the harness. The tendon installs onto the back pad of the harness by fastening the P-clips into the 5mm holes. As you can see, there are many ways to customize the Kinisi harness to your liking.